In this tutorial, we will see that how you can see private account followers on Instagram. So let's dive right in. So after opening Instagram, if you click on this search and search for any of the account, I'm searching here this account. If I open it, you can see here this account is private. If I tap on this followers, it's not showing me. Now to see private account followers, what we can do is simply click the follow button and wait for the account owner to accept your follow request. Once the request is accepted, you can see the followers of that private account. This was the first and legit method. Now for the second method, you can use a friend's account. If you have mutual friends who follows that private account, then you can ask him to show you the follow list of that private account. And you should have avoid using third-party tools and be careful of scammers, as they can violate Instagram terms and service, can compromise your account security and lead to your account being hacked. So the legit method to see private account followers is to follow the account and wait for the account owner to accept your follow request. Instagram doesn't allow us to see the followers of private account without their permission. However, you can follow these two ways in order to see private account followers on Instagram.